Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to Audiorista's Quick Start videos. Today, we'll explore how to set up feed screens. In Audiorista, you have two main ways to present your content: feeds and layouts. Think of feeds as a flowing stream of content that scrolls vertically, similar to what you might see on social media platforms. This continuous flow makes it easy for your users to browse multiple pieces of content seamlessly. Feeds work hand in hand with collections, which are groups of content you've created. A feed is often paired with a dynamic collection, but you can use a manual collection should you decide to do so. To learn how to create dynamic and manual collections, please watch my other video about the topic or visit our help centre. We've designed 3 distinct display modes to help you present your content in the most engaging way possible. Banner, where the display is centered around using the banner artwork of your titles. Square, where the display is centered around your square artworks. And finally, tags, a minimalist display highlighting your title's main tag. Let me walk you through creating your first feed. Start by navigating to the CMS section in the left-hand menu and selecting Feeds. In the top right corner, you'll see a Create Feed Layout button. Click that to begin. Now, let's go through each important setting. First, give it a display name. Next, choose which collection will supply the content for this feed. If you plan to embed this feed within a layout, you'll want to upload an attractive banner artwork. Then, select your preferred display mode from the 3 options we discussed earlier. You can also enable filters to help your users find specific content more easily. Learn more about how to set up filters in our tags video or visit the Help Centre. Remember to save your work using the button in the bottom right corner. Once your feed is ready, you have 2 ways to add it to your app. You can add it as a tab in your navigation menu, or you can embed it within a layout using a banner. Watch my other video on menus to see how you edit and add screens to your app's navigation. In this video, I will show you how to embed the feed in a layout. But first, let's review a typical workflow so far. We start by creating a collection to organize the content. Then, we configure how the feed will display the content. And, for the final step, making the feed accessible through either the menu or a layout. To embed your feed into a layout, navigate to the Layouts section under CMS. Select your desired layout, then click the Add Section button and choose Feed Link Banner from the menu. Click Next. Choose your feed in the drop-down menu and make sure to toggle visibility on. Remember to click Save. When you check your app, you'll see a new banner in your layout. Clicking it reveals your beautifully displayed feed. That covers the essentials of working with feeds in Audiorista. For a more complete understanding of content screens, I recommend watching our companion video about layouts. And remember to visit the Help Centre if you need additional guidance. Thank you for watching, and happy creating with Audiorista.